wrong, Eric? It's cold?
No. They're little.
We got 9 inches of snow.
Oh, yeah?
That's a lot of snow.
Mom, baby.
Where do I shovel?
Oh, you gotta get the sled.
Yeah, they're getting them.
Make sure you put Bucky inside so he doesn't get cold. Alyssa! Alyssa, come here with the sled. No, don't do that one. Just from here to there, son. It's not that hard. Leave the snow there. Don't touch the snow there. Gotta sit all the way back. Is that working?
No.
You gotta make a path. Flatten it.
Eric, no, Eric.
Yeah, he's fine.
Eric!
He's fine.
He's walking all over them.
It's okay. It needs to be.
Not to.
It needs to be flattened.
Come on, Eric.
See how sister's flattening the?
This is the part you want to slide on.
No, because the boat's right there.
This side, Mary. Isn't that someone else's property? Yeah. That was fun.
I don't care. That's
I know, but it was fun. That's all I was saying.
this side.
I know.
Make flatten it so that you guys can slide.
3. Oh, no.
Stop.
No! I messed it up. No, I'll tell you when you start. My gosh. Is the
Yeah, you slide first. Watch your head. Push it.
That was fun.